combining diet, exercise, and lifestyle for optimal hormonal health. 1. Balanced diet. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining hormonal health. Emphasize whole, unprocessed foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods to provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for optimal hormone production and regulation. 2. Macronutrient balance. Pay attention to the balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your diet. Each macronutrient plays a unique role in hormone synthesis and metabolism. Aim for a well-rounded intake of carbohydrates from whole grains, proteins from lean sources, and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. 3. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity has numerous benefits for hormonal health. Incorporate a combination of aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. Exercise helps reduce stress, improve insulin sensitivity, regulate hormone levels, and promote overall well-being. 4. Stress management. Chronic stress can disrupt hormone balance. Implement stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies and activities that promote relaxation. Finding effective stress management strategies that work for you is essential for hormonal health. 5. Quality sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for hormonal balance. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep routine. Prioritize good sleep hygiene practices, such as creating a comfortable sleep environment, avoiding electronic devices before bed, and practicing relaxation techniques to optimize sleep quality. 6. Healthy weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for hormonal health. Excess body weight, especially abdominal fat, can disrupt hormone balance. Focus on achieving a healthy weight through a combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance if needed. 7. Limiting exposure to hormone disruptors. Hormone disruptors are chemicals found in certain household products, plastics, pesticides, and cosmetics that can interfere with hormone production and regulation. Minimize exposure to these substances by choosing natural and organic products, using glass or stainless steel containers, and opting for hormone-free meat and dairy products. 8. Regular medical checkups. Regular visits to healthcare professionals are essential for monitoring hormonal health. Discuss any concerns or symptoms related to hormonal imbalances with a healthcare provider. They can order relevant tests, provide personalized guidance, and offer appropriate medical interventions if necessary.